Let's learn advanced versions of some regular usage sentences. Please come to the point. Please cut to the chase. You are so lucky. You are so jammy. The media surrounded the criminal. The media mocked the criminal. Stop making me angry. Stop vexing me. The office is too small. The office is petite. I visit my hometown rarely. I visit my hometown once in a blue moon. Another example. Keep it a secret. Keep it under wraps. Can you please check? Can you please verify? I like you a lot, but I'm so into you. Meeting will start at 8. Meeting will commence at 8. I need to go now. I need to leave now.